Neighbors still don't seem to be, but airport officials say they are happy about new plans for the de-icing chemicals at the Gerald R. Ford International Airport. We're talking about a new plan there that's working on changing how those chemicals are dealt with. It's been a contentious issue for people living along the Thornapple River. Yesterday, the state approved the airport's new plan to deal with the de-icer. 24-hour News 8's Heather Walker set out to see how the plan was being received by those closest to the riverbanks. Heather.
Yeah, Target 8 has been covering this story for months. We were the first to test the river and found that it had compounds from the de-icer in the river. Now, that's something neighbors say they knew before the test.
Quiet and had a stream. And
Jerry Jellens has been living near the Thornapple River for 26 years. His property is lined on the north by the trout stream that feeds into it. He says the water used to provide a place for animals.
Wild ducks and fish. Fish would go up and down the stream.
But they started disappearing about 6 years ago.
Since they de-iced, all of that is gone.
Seeing them go was bad, but he says the smell is worse.
Kind of a waste sewer or something like that.
This week, the airport announced a new plan to clean up the water and safely dispose of the de-icer. They're installing a natural treatment system for the water to go through before reaching the river. The idea is the system will filter the runoff water from the airport and keep the bad compounds out.
So we're confident this is an excellent system. It's the right system.
That's what the airport thinks. But what do neighbors think?
It's better than nothing. I mean, it's an improvement of what it was.
Jerry and other neighbors believe there could be a better way. What do you want to see done?
Well, I wish they could find a way. I'm not an engineer or anything, but I wish they could do something to completely eliminate the de-icer going into the Thornapple River.
We'll see how this all works out. Right now, the de-icer flows directly into the water. The airport has until 2015 to meet the Department of Environmental Quality standard for the de-icer disposal. That's when they expect the new system to be completed. Live in studio control, Heather Walker, 24-hour News 8.